Mr Thompson, you focused a lot in this session on parcels and the profitability of parcels. So would it be fair to say then that reports in the media and from constituents that postal workers have been told to prioritise parcels over letters are accurate? Is that now official Royal Mail policy?
No, that's absolutely not true. We've been very, very clear that there is no difference between the two. We've written to our teams on a regular basis. I actually wrote a letter, I remember when I first came in my first year, to every postal worker, reminding them of the importance of letters. But we do have to recognise one thing, particularly after days of industrial action. For anyone who's been to one of our delivery offices, you'll all remember the frames. Within the frames, we are 100% optimised for letters. There's somewhere to store letters, but we are not at all optimised for parcels. So we do have occasions at a local level where, for health and safety reasons, there might be a situation where parcels need to be delivered so that the postal workers can actually get to the frames. But that's not our policy at all. Our policy is very, very clear that letters and parcels are equal.
It's interesting, though, because this situation arose in Rushcliffe, and I commented in the local media about it. And as a result, I was contacted by postal workers from across the country, actually, who said the opposite, and who said that they have been specifically told to prioritise parcels. Why do you think it is that so many of them have been told something different to what is official Royal Mail policy?
I don't know the answer to that question. All I will say is that our policy is very, very clear, that parcels and letters are as important. And as I said earlier on, we're very, very proud to deliver the USO service, and we do understand that quality is important for letters and also for parcels.
Citizens Advice have submitted evidence to the committee ahead of this session, and their data has found that customers are far more likely to experience delays to letters than they are to parcels. Does that bear out in your internal data?
No, I don't believe it does, but I think if the committee would like any more information on that topic, we can certainly write to you. But I did see that information from Citizens Advice as well. And it was actually thanks to the Citizens Advice recommendation some year ago that we actually changed our service update page to make sure that if there are any issues in any delivery offices, we're very proactive and we let people know.
Thank you. I think the committee would like to see that information, actually, in terms of delays to letters as opposed to parcels. And I think we need to put this, this issue to bed once and for all, in a way. So what will Royal Mail be doing, given that there is this confusion as to whether parcels are to be prioritised over letters or not? What will you be doing to set the record straight and to make sure that everybody knows that that isn't the case?
Well, we've always been very clear. It's very clear in our policies.
How can you be being very clear if so many people have the wrong end of the stick?
Yes, well, it might be time to re-communicate again. But, we've always been very, very clear that that is the situation, and that is our policies through our managers and also with our people. We've been very clear about that.
Can I take it from what you're saying then that there will be a new communication now from Royal Mail to make it very clear that parcels shouldn't be being prioritised over letters, because obviously people missing letters are missing incredibly important information about NHS appointments, paying bills, all sorts of things?
Yes, we're very happy to re-communicate our policy that we've re-communicated several times. I think that's perfectly fine.
Thank you.